friends, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about subtraction, which is a kindergarten math skill. Pretty cool. We're acting like kindergartners. But first I want to review with you what we learned last week when we did the adding or addition. Do you remember what this symbol means? Stop and think about that for a minute. What does that mean? I know it looks like the letter T, but in math, what do we call that? Yes, we call that the addition or adding. We're going to add. That means the number here, we're going to put together with the number over on this side. So adding means putting together. Good. Okay, now who remembers what this symbol means? It looks like an 11 going this way, doesn't it? But we want it this way. Does anybody remember what that's called? That's right, it's the equal sign. Whatever's on this side of the equal sign is the same as what's on this equal sign. This side of the equal sign. Okay, very good. And here's our new one for today. Yeah, it looks like a 1, but we're turning it this way. We're turning it on the landscape side. And this is called a minus sign. Can you say that? Minus sign. And minus means take away. So if we have a number here like 5, and we have the number 2 over here, we're going to take 2 away from that 5. And then we will have a new number by the equal sign. So it goes number minus number equals, and then a new number. So let's try that. Ready? So what we need to start with today is our 10 frame. And we're only going to start with 5 on our 10 frames. And Mom and Dad can help you with this part. They're going to put out 5. And then remember our number cards from last week? We're going to use those again. So then you get to pick one of the numbers from the number pile. Ooh, look what you got. What did we get there? That's right, we picked a 5. So that means, what does that line mean? That minus sign mean? What does the sign mean? Take away. So we have to take away 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what do we have left? That's right, we have 0 left. So this is how we're going to write this. Ready? Oh, my pen doesn't want to open. Remember, now we're going to take our paper, and we started out with 5 on our 5 frame. And then we're going to take away, that's that minus sign. See? 5 minus, oh, and what number did we pick? We picked a 5. So 5 minus 5, and then remember the equal sign, equals, how many are left? 0, correct. So then we put a 0. Wow, good job, friends. Let's try another one. Okay, let me get everything ready again on my part. So remember, we're putting 5 up at the top on our 5 frame. Here's our 5. Ready? I'm going to pick a new number. Ooh, what number did we get this time? 3. So let's start writing. 5, because we have 5 to start with, minus, and what's the number we picked? 3 equals, and let's try that. Here is our 5, and we're taking away 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? You should be able to supersize that. That's correct. There are 2 left. So then we put 2 next to our equal sign. So 5 minus 3, or 5 take away 3, equals 2. Good job, friends. Let's try another one. Let's put our 5 back on the frame. Okay, let's try a new one. Ready? Oh, here's a new one. What's that? That's a 2. So we start with, what do we start with? 5 minus 2 equals, so 5, we got 5. Take away the 2 equals 3. Good job, friends. Okay, let's try one more with the 5, and then we're going to try a different number on here. Ready? Okay, got our 5 on there. Let me pick a new number. Ooh, what do we pick there? That's right, we got a 4. So we have 5, let me write it down. 5 minus 4. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, right, 1. How many of you were able to supersize that and tell me that it was 1? Good job, friends. So now let's up the ante a little bit, once or twice, and see what we get. Okay, let's try it with this number. Let's see, how many do you think we have here? Can you tell me? Well, since we know this is 5 because that's a 5 frame at the top, we know that's 5, then we can count up and go 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 on here. Ready? And let's pick a number and see how many we're going to subtract or take away from. Ooh, what number do we have there? 2. So first, let's write our 8 minus 2 equals, how many do you think that's going to be? Let's take away 2. 1, 2. So we have 8 minus 2 equals, how many is that? 5 and 1 makes, you're right, 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Let's try that one more time with a new number. I'm going to put 8 back on. I have the 8 right there. And let's pick one more number. Oh, let's do this one. What's that number? 4. So first we're going to write 8 minus 4 equals. So here's our 8. Let's take away 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Could you supersize that number? That's right, it's 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. There we have it. Very good, friends. That's very good math we're doing today. Now I want you to go practice with your mom and dad and do some more on your 5 frame and 10 frame at home. I'll see you soon.